안녕하세요. Welcome back to another episode of Breaking Borders. Today we're going to be talking about outsmarting global brands. Now we're currently right here in Korea and we're gearing up for an exciting journey today. Our mission? To guide you through transforming your local brands into global sensations using Amazon FBA and Amazon ads. My name is Bradley Sutton, I'm from Helium 10, and alongside Min and Lim from TradeSchool, as well as Jeung, a seasoned Amazon seller from Korea. Today, we're gonna go deep into how local brands can outsmart global giants with savvy market research, unique value props, and optimal advertising solutions. All right, where are we gonna start today?
The first step to global expansion is understanding where you want to go, because each country has its unique challenges and consideration points. You need to understand the cultural nuances, demand cycles, and competitive landscape.
Absolutely. Language, culture, consumer behavior, seasons, and many other aspects vary greatly depending on your region. So I highly recommend using some of the Amazon tools from Amazon Seller Central, as well as Helium 10 resources to understand different trends, popular items, and understanding your customer's journey, which is the most important thing.
After you've registered as a seller, you can take advantage of the Product Opportunity Explorer to understand customer needs and uncover opportunities.
Hold on. What about you out there listening? Have you heard about the Product Opportunity Explorer yet? It is amazing. It's an Amazon tool that's designed to help businesses understand consumer behaviors, identify new product opportunities by analyzing search and purchase patterns. Businesses like you can search for niches that align with your goals, and you can evaluate the potential sales of new offerings within these identified areas.
To access this, find growth in the Seller Central main menu and select Product Opportunity Explorer from the drop-down menu. You can use the Find Opportunities by Categories menu in the top left corner to browse by category, or use the search function to find niches related to specific terms or ASINs. When you find a niche relevant to your business, you can get more in-depth metrics on the niche details page. Under the Products tab, you will find a list of the products within the niche that accumulate 80% of clicks after customer searches. Use it to help understand what customers are looking for and to gain an overall sense of the competition within a niche.
Search term section can help you better understand customer search behavior and search term performance. It contains the top Amazon customer search terms for a niche, along with search volume, click share, search conversion rate, and top 3 click product. Use this tab to learn more about customers' intent and to identify product attributes or features important to customers. Under the Insights tab, you'll find the metrics to understand specific dynamics in a niche, including its saturation, launch potential for new products, and overall customer experience.
Another way to analyze the niche is looking at different trends of who is already selling in the niche that you want to sell in. For example, I added some ASINs, some Amazon products that were already selling to this Helium 10 tool called Listing Builder. And with this tool, I can see what is the history of the Amazon bestseller ranking for these products. What about the traffic and conversions? What are the sales that these products have been doing? I can also see where are the sellers from for these products. Are they mainly from the USA? Are they from China? Are they from Korea? Where are they from? I could also see the history of the reviews. Sometimes maybe you might not want to have to compete with main products that already have thousands of reviews. In addition, I could check the analysis of what kind of listings do they have. Are they very strong listings, really optimized? They have enough images, or maybe are these newer sellers who aren't using the best practices on making your listing? This tool will show that to you. Finally, it'll show you what are the strong keywords for this niche as a whole. So again, the important thing to take from all of this is there's tools in Amazon Seller Central like Product Opportunity Explorer. There's tools in Helium 10 that do a lot of the heavy lifting for you.
I've noticed another seller friend utilizing social media and AI research tool for this.
Indeed, Jeung. Beyond traditional Amazon tools, there are great methods to enhance market research significantly. First, you can do market research using Pinterest, which you may know as a social media for uploading and sharing photos. For example, if you type hashtag Amazon buy hacks into the search bar at the top of Pinterest, a keyword that can uncover popular and high potential products on Amazon, you might suddenly discover a bunch of recently popular items. Instead of just seeing the image, the original article is linked, so you can click through to discover the hidden hot items.
Yes, now it's crucial though to define what makes your brand stand out. You can have all the best keywords, but what is your value proposition? It's about more than just what you're selling. It's the story you're going to tell. Something else that's important is that you can't just think about the market or the keywords, but what kind of value proposition or value prop does your product have? What makes it stand out compared to your competitors' products? There's different ways that you can highlight this. So Jeung, I heard you had a product that you had a unique value proposition. What was that product?
My first sold out product was bowling ball wipes. Initially, selling bowling supplies, especially wipes, wasn't on my radar. However, while analyzing data, I discovered a steady demand in the less competitive ball polishers category in sports and outdoors. Bowling ball wipes provide an opportunity to tap into a niche market within this category.
Wow, that's interesting. So what part was the value proposition that you chose?
Digging deeper, I wanted to understand what might motivate our target customers to purchase this product. I found that bowling ball cleaner and microfiber towel are often researched together among bowling supplies. So I realized that customers interested in cleaning bowling balls overlap. That's how I select bowling ball wipes that can combine the demand of bowling ball cleaner and bowling towel to catch customers' needs.
A Southern Korean cosmetic brand also had a lot of stories that they could tell. But based on the research, they learned that sustainability and quality ingredients are key selling points in North America. For example, USA, the cosmetic market is really competitive, but they explore their own needs keywords to find their own need audience. Using market research tools, they discovered that consumers interested in cosmetics, especially the foundation products they sell, especially for keywords like skincare, rice, natural skincare, and they decided to position themselves as an eco-friendly cosmetics brand and utilizing soy ingredients as the key reason to believe. Today, the brand is still the best-selling soy essence product on Amazon.